Hello everyone. Hi ma'am. I'm Rupal from Industrial Outlook magazine and we are here for RA 2023. Let's start this conversation to having a brief introduction of ma'am.
This is Rupali Paul, and I'm leading in solar division for Purshotam Profiles. We are here again with you guys for the new business, new market, and new ventures now.
So we are attending RAI this year. So what will be your biggest takeaway from here?
I believe ARIA is a very big and huge platform for meeting and greeting and getting known about the new technologies, new inventions, which even other companies are having. And we have a vast vision for the up future of solar energy.
What are your expansion plans for our upcoming years?
Ma'am, I repeat my words like expansion to we are already leading in manufacturers for structures. We just want to maintain this dignity with the pride. That is the only new ventures which we are looking forward for.
So what are your like what do you see any new opportunities or trends for solar industry?
Yes, there's a lot of new opportunities, new inventions on the raw material side also, like technology in engineering. Everything is having coming new and new every day. So definitely challenges and changes are there, but it is for the betterment for the industry, and we are also looking forward for the same.
Okay. So if we talk about, products reliability, quality. So how Purushottam is working on quality, reliability, safety of their products?
Purushottam is leading because of the quality and the reliability only. We don't have a huge client list. We are only having 15 to 20 main players, but we are stick to that only clientage, and we only focus on the quality and timeline delivery. Because to have a huge list doesn't make a difference. To maintain that quality, that is the SOP of Purushottam Profiles. That dignity, that pride, we move forward again and again is only because that we maintain our quality and timelines.
Okay. Purushottam is also exporting to international market also.
Yeah, we did. We have done couple of US projects, Saudi, Dubai, and South Africa. We have done coming up with the footprints of export as well. So we are doing that projects as.
So do you see any difference doing business in India or international?
Ma'am, it is like doing business is home, and outside is obviously it is business. But catering domestic market is feel like a family.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for it.